Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, healed and healthy by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine and doing great. My dear students, you all are well aware of the recent COVID-19 pandemic, and I hope you all are taking the suggested precautions to keep yourself safe and your surrounding. Once again, I welcome you all a very good morning. Your presence makes me very happy. I appreciate your participation on Google Classroom. As you all know, I am your maths teacher, Ms. Nasreen Fatma, with lecture number 47. Now the contents of our today's lecture. Today we will revise the topic triangles exercise 7C. In this topic we will discuss some different topics like types of triangle, how to measure the sides of triangle, and how to measure the angles of the triangle. Before starting the topic, we should know what is a triangle. Tri means three. A triangle means three angles. Means a triangle is a shape which has three sides and three angles. Now let's discuss the definition of a triangle. What is a triangle? A triangle is a closed shape with three sides, three vertices. Vertices means three corners. A triangle has three corners and three angles. Means a shape which has three sides, three vertices and three angles is called a triangle. Now the types of triangle. Triangles can be grouped into categories according to their sides and according to their angles, because a triangle has three sides and three angles, and we can classify the types of triangle according to their sides as well as according to their angles. Now let's discuss the types of triangle according to their sides and according to their angles. First we categorize a triangle according to their sides. The first type of triangle according to their side is equilateral triangle. The second type of triangle according to their side is isosceles triangle. And the third type of triangle is called scalene triangle. Now we are going to discuss the three types of triangle according to their sides in detail. Now the first type of triangle according to their side, as you know, is equilateral triangle. What is an equilateral triangle? You can see this triangle. A triangle which has three equal sides and three equal angles is called an equilateral triangle. As you can see in this figure of a triangle, all sides and all angles are equal. So that type of triangle is called equilateral triangle. Now the second type of a triangle according to their sides is isosceles triangle. What is an isosceles triangle? You can see in this triangle, it seems that two sides are equal. This side and this side of the triangle is equal in length. So what is an isosceles triangle? A triangle that has two equal sides is called an isosceles triangle. As you have seen in the triangle that these two sides are equal and one side is indifferent in length. So if the two sides are equal, that type of triangle is said to be an isosceles triangle. Now the third type of triangle according to the sides of the triangle is scalene triangle. What is an scalene triangle? A triangle which has no equal side is called an scalene triangle. It means a triangle has no equal sides, means all sides are different in length. As you can see in the figure that these three sides of a triangle, one side, the second side and the third side, these three sides are different in length. So the triangle which has no equal side is said to be a scalene triangle. As we discussed before, we can categorize the triangle according to their side and according to their angle. Now we have discussed the types of triangle according to their sides. Now let's move to discuss the grouping of triangle by angles. The first type of triangle according to their angles is acute angle triangle. The second type of triangle is obtuse angle triangle. And the third type of triangle according to their angle is right angle triangle. Now we will discuss these types of triangle in detail and we will discuss the definitions of these three types of triangle. Now let's discuss the definitions of the triangle according to their angles in detail. The first type of triangle according to their angle is acute angle triangle. What is an acute angle triangle? As we all know, an acute angle is an angle which is less than 90 degree. In this figure you can see all angles are less than 90 degree. If a triangle has all acute angle like this angle, all angles are less than 90 degree or acute angle, That type of triangle is called an acute angle triangle. Means all. What is an obtuse angle triangle? A triangle which has one obtuse angle. In this figure you can see a triangle has one obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means greater than 90 degree. If a triangle has one obtuse angle, that type of triangle is called an obtuse angle triangle. Means if one angle of a triangle is obtuse angle greater than 90 degree is called obtuse angle triangle. Like the given triangle, one angle is obtuse means greater than 90 degree is 120 degree. So that type of triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. Now the next type of triangle is a right angled triangle. What is a right angled triangle? A triangle which has one angle of 90 degree or a right angle is called a right angle triangle. In this figure you can see this triangle has one angle of 90 degree and the angle of 90 degree is called right angle. So the triangle which has one angle of 90 degree or a right angle is called a right angle triangle. The opposite sides of the right angle of a right angle triangle is called hypotenuse. The special name of the side of a right angle triangle is hypotenuse, and this side is opposite to the right angle or the angle of 90 degree. So what is the definition of a right angle triangle? A triangle which has one right angle is called a right angle triangle. The side opposite to the right angle, as we discussed before, is always the longest side. This longest side is called hypotenuse. It means the longest side of a right angle triangle is hypotenuse, which is opposite to the right angle or the angle of 90 degree. The important point about triangle you have to remember is the sum of three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Any type of triangle has the sum of all angles is 180 degree. Now the second topic of our today's lecture is measure the sides of the triangle. To measure the sides of a triangle and write their names. First we will measure this triangle, its all sides, then we will write the name or the type of the triangle according to the side. Now first we will measure the side of a triangle with the help of ruler. This side of a triangle is of 6 centimeter. Then the second side of the triangle, it is also 6 centimeter. 0 till 6, it is also 6 centimeter. Then the third side is also of 6 centimeter. If a triangle has all equal sides is called an equilateral triangle. It means the given triangle is an equilateral triangle because its all sides are equal. Now the second triangle we will measure the sides of this triangle. First we will measure this side of the triangle. It is of 7 centimeter. You can see this side is of a triangle is of 7 centimeter. Then we will measure the second side of this triangle. It is of 5 centimeter. First side is of 7 centimeter and the second side is of 5 centimeter. Then we will measure the third side of the triangle. Wow, it is also 5 centimeter. It means these two sides of this triangle is equal in length. If the triangle has two equal sides, it is called an isosceles triangle. It means the given triangle is an isosceles triangle because it has two equal sides, and that type of triangle is called an isosceles triangle. Now we have to measure the side of the given triangle. We will use the ruler to measure the sides of the triangle. With the help of ruler, we will measure all three sides of the triangle. Then we will write the name of this triangle. The first side of this triangle is of 8 centimeter. Then measure the next side of the triangle. This side of the triangle is of 7 centimeter. You can see it's 7 centimeter. 0 till 7. It's 7 centimeter. The third side of this triangle is of 5 centimeter. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This triangle has all different sides. One side is of 5 centimeter, other side is of 7 centimeter and the third side is of 8 centimeter. This type of triangle which has no equal side, what type of triangle is this? It is scalene triangle, because an scalene triangle is a triangle which has no equal side. So this triangle has no equal side, that's why this is the type of triangle which has no equal side is called scalene triangle. The sides of triangle, we can measure the angles of the triangle, then we can write the name of the triangle. So measure the angles of the triangle and record your findings. Now we have to measure the angles of this triangle and then we will record our findings in the table. Means we have to measure angle X, Y and Z with the help of protractor, because we measure the angle with the help of protractor. So first we will measure the angle Y. This angle is of 60 degree. Start counting from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60 degree. This angle is of 60 degree. Now we will write the measurement of angle Y in a table, that is 60 degree. Then we will measure angle Z. Angle Z is of 10, 20, 30, 40 and between 40 and 50 we have 45. It means the angle Z is of 45 degree. Now we will record the angle Z in the table, that is 45 degree. Then we will measure angle X. Angle X is of, start counting from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and between 70 and 80 we have 75 degree. It means the angle X is of 75 degree. As we discussed before, the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So when we add angle X, angle Y and angle Z, we will get 180 degree. So hence proof that the sum of all the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Now let's measure the angles of this triangle, angle XYZ, with the help of protractor. First we will measure angle X. Measure the angles of the triangle and record your findings in the table. First we will measure angle X with the help of protractor, and this angle is of 90 degree. Angle X is of 90 degree. Then we will measure angle Y. Angle Y is of 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Between 40 and 50 we have 45 degree. It means angle Y is of 45 degree. Then angle Z, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Between 40 and 50 we again find 45 degree. It means angle Z is of 45 degree. And when we add angle X, angle Y and angle Z, we will get 180 degree, because the sum of all the angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. My dear students, you should keep it in your mind that all sides of the sum of all three sides of the triangle is 180 degree. And you can see in this picture any type of triangle or any size of triangle, the sum of all the angle is always 180 degree. Now you can see the different types of triangle of different size and different angle, but the sum of all three angle is 180 degree. So hence proof that the sum of all the angles or sum of all three angles of the triangle is always 180 degree. As we know that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, so we can find the measurement of unknown angle. Now in this example we will find the measurement of unknown angle. Now we have angle ABC, in which we know the angle A and B but not angle C. Now with the help of this point, that sum of all the angles of a triangle, we have a particular formula, that is the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. And in this figure we have angle A 40 degree and angle B 60 degree. So angle A 40 degree and angle B 60 degree, and we don't know the measurement of angle C, but the sum of all three angles is 180 degree. So how we will find it? We will add the two given angles. 60 plus 40 is equal to 100 degree. 100 degree plus C is equal to 180 degree. Now how can we find the angle C? Angle C is equal to 180 minus 100, and it is 80 degree. Means angle C is equal to 80 degree. And when we add 100 plus 80, we will get 180 degree. So it's proof that angle ABC, the sum of all the angle is 180 degree. And angle C is an unknown angle, and the measurement of this unknown angle is 80 degree. Now let's take a quick review of our today's lecture. Now the first point is the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. In right angle triangle, side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse, as we discussed. The hypotenuse is the longest side of the right angle triangle. A triangle which has no equal side is called an Ischian triangle. A right angle triangle has one right angle. Alright, my dear students, I hope you have understood and enjoyed today's lecture. Now let's have a quiz about this lecture. Are you ready for the quiz? Now, the first question, if sum of two angles of a triangle is 130 degree, the measurement of the third angle will be, do you know? What is the measurement of the third angle? How can we find? Now, 180 degree minus 130 degree is equal to 50 degree. The measurement of the third angle is 50 degree. Very good. Now, a triangle has three equal sides. It's called equilateral triangle. Very good. All sides of a triangle is equal, then the type of triangle is called an equilateral triangle. Okay, now the next question, the longest side of a right angle triangle is called, what is it? It's called hypotenuse. Oh, alright, it's called hypotenuse. It is the opposite and the longest side of the triangle. All three sides of a Ischian triangle are equal? No, are different. Very good. The three sides of a Ischian triangle are different in length. That's why they are called Ischian triangle. Very good. Clap yourself, everyone. Alright, my dear students, I hope you enjoyed and understood today's lectures. This is the end of today's lecture. See you inshallah in the next lecture. Till then, take a very good care of yourself. Keep watching, keep learning. Allah Hafiz.